welcome back to the channel. It's been a great day. When I first started off by thanking all you guys watching my videos of rebuilding this 95 Lightning. It's been coming along really well, but a lot more to go. Right now, I just got the truck back from the body shop the other day. Had to get some body work done on the truck that I've been meaning to get done, but I took it to the exhaust shop the other day. Took it over to Aces, his local shop down the street from me.
Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin
Did a really great job. They ended up using some of the pieces from the old Y pipe. They ended up connecting the headers down to the muffler. But I did notice the other day that the exhaust is making a little bit of a noise. It's coming from the muffler. I thought it was a band or maybe a hanger that was loose, but it's coming from inside the muffler. It sounds like it's got a loose or a broken baffle in the muffler. I didn't hear it before because it had such a nasty exhaust leak that I didn't hear that before. I only heard the exhaust leak. But definitely want to get that fixed. I may have to cut the muffler open and see if I can just tack weld that baffle that's loose, or just go ahead and replace the muffler altogether. Tell me what you guys think, because I have a Bassani muffler and it sounds really good and I don't want to get rid of it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are running, what you guys recommend, what you guys think sounds good on these early style Lightnings. And maybe I'll take a look into a different exhaust system. Right after the exhaust, I went ahead and replaced the upper and lower ball joints. I should have replaced them when I dropped the truck, but I didn't. And I wanted to get those done because we're definitely shot a crazy amount of play. And I wanted to get those done before I went and took it to the alignment shop. I took the truck, once I got the ball joints done, I took it over to my buddy's Bo's shop. He works over at Lexus, and the great thing about that shop is it let him work on his own vehicles. Alright guys, so this is what I'm trying to fix right now. The steering wheel is way off center. I'm going straight, and the steering wheel is like way off to the left. So hopefully I can get that fixed and get it riding really good. Roller.
Fucking mirror.
It's not drifting, it's not pulling. Dude, it's like,
it's alright.
I'm fine with it. Look.
If it is, it's a miracle because it looked crazy on the machine.
Look.
Yeah, you're right, it's not pulling.
And we got the truck dialed in. It drives super straight now. The steering wheel is not crooked no more. It's nice and centered. So I want to thank Bo, Grease Monkey Mods, for helping me out. Anyways, and like I said, I just got the truck back from the body shop. All right, guys, I'm about to take off and take the truck to the body shop to get this dent and this large crease here that's along the side right here of the bed. It's kind of hard to tell, but fixing the bed, and also gonna fix this tailgate here because the tailgate is all smashed up from the previous owner. The sun backed it into a tree, so I'm gonna get the bedside, the passenger door, and the tailgate fixed here. So I'm about to go take it to the body shop.
Destination is on your left.
That's it.
702 9th Avenue North.
All right, so here it is in the shop, getting prepped up. Got the mirrors off, got the passenger cab. Here's where I had a big old dent right here, and had a big long crease right here on the bedside. He's got it all primed up, ready to get sprayed. Also, I had a dent on the bumper here, which we repaired, and the tailgate as well had a big crease on top. I don't remember if it was up here somewhere. It was all dented up from the previous owner back into a tree, but that's looking good. He's got it sanded down. I think he got the passenger or the driver door mirror off also. That's gonna get painted as well. So that was all bubbling up. But besides that, that was the only thing that needed to be painted on the truck. It looks good. Looks like the paint booth is open for business here, getting ready to get sprayed. Here is the after of the passenger bedside, and as you can tell, it looks like glass. I mean, he did a really good job. My tailgate was all beat up here, and the roll pan was all messed up as well, but he ended up going ahead and finishing it off. But man, it looks super good. It's glassed. Anyways, like I said, right now I'm gonna put the decal on here a little bit. I got a decal right here for the truck. I ordered this a long time ago when I bought the truck, so I knew I was gonna get that fixed. So I'm gonna slap that on here in a little bit. What we wanna do is we wanna go ahead and get our bottle ready. I'm probably not gonna need all of it. Let me go ahead and make sure I got enough soap in here to make it soapy. I definitely want it soapy. Go ahead and mix. Soapy. We're gonna want to clean off, spray the surface, make sure it's nice and soapy. Like so. We're gonna want to spray this down. Food. And the great thing about soaping down the panel is that you can move it around until you have it just right. It's just right. Looks pretty good right there. Go ahead, squeegee some of the water out of there. You start squeegeeing, you'll notice less and less water coming out. And I rushed pulling it off and wasn't paying attention, and I pulled it apart a little bit right here. So besides that, there's no air bubbles. Yeah, I just kind of got off track there, and I'm gonna have to order a new one because I'm not gonna be satisfied with that. But yeah, there's no air bubbles, and like I said, just make sure you take your time and don't rush it. An all Alpine system going in. Let me move this out the way. So I'm gonna install a sub in the back. I'm gonna install new component speakers in the doors, and go ahead and replace the speakers in the back pillars. I'm gonna go ahead and install this double din Alpine radio. It's gonna look killer. And 2 amps, an amp for the speaker, door speakers, and an amp for the sub. So that's definitely going in as well. So you don't want to miss out on that. And I'm also gonna be installing some fat mat on the bottom. But I think the first video before I do all this, 'cause it's still kind of hot, is I'm gonna bed liner the inside of the truck using this the Raptor liner. So that's gonna be the next video here.